Like Scotch whiskey and bourbon, Irish whiskey is governed by strict regulations to maintain its authenticity and quality. The European Union and Irish law ensure that any whiskey labeled as Irish whiskey meets specific criteria. Here are the legal requirements for Irish whiskey. Produced in Ireland. To be called Irish whiskey, the spirit must be distilled and matured on the island of Ireland, which includes both the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland. Grain and mash composition. Irish whiskey can be made from a variety of grains, including malted barley, unmalted barley, corn, wheat, and rye. There are different types of Irish whiskey, which we'll cover later, and the grain composition can vary significantly depending on the style. Distillation and proof. Irish whiskey must be distilled to no higher than 94.8% alcohol by volume, ABV, to retain the natural flavors of the grains and fermentation. After distillation, it is typically diluted to a lower proof for aging and bottling, with a minimum bottling strength of 40% ABV. Matured for a minimum of 3 years. Like Scotch, Irish whiskey must be aged in wooden casks for at least 3 years. These casks are often made from oak and can be used barrels that previously held bourbon, sherry, or other types of spirits. The minimum aging period ensures that the whiskey develops a smooth, mature flavor. No additives, except water and caramel coloring. Irish whiskey must be made without the addition of artificial flavors or additives, though caramel coloring, E150A, is allowed for consistency and color. These regulations protect the integrity of Irish whiskey and ensure that consumers know they are getting a product made with the care and tradition associated with Ireland's rich whiskey-making heritage.